Over by Ken.
Jake, you want some food? You hungry? Who hungry?
Show Ken that thing at supper time, Dad.
Want some food? Want a muffin? Dunkin' Donuts muffin. Speak. Sit. Jake, you sit. Be a good boy and sit. Jake, sit. Sit. Come on, sit down, buddy. Jake, sit. Good boy. Now speak. Good boy.
Because I can do it all.
James, good boy.
I
Yeah.
went to supper last night. I don't know if I go back there again. It was all
Jake,
the
you
way-
speak again. Go. Oh. Ready?
all the way up to Super Lake. Hey, would you shut that back door, Tyler?
Who's a good boy?
Tyler,
Who's a good boy? Yeah. Yeah, who's a good boy? Not yet. Who's a good boy? Yeah.
well, they had all the crab legs you can eat, so David and Ken got that. And it must have been very expensive.